We are now here at IKEA food court. Tutor ko kayo. Yan. Those are the desserts. Mango sago for 39 pesos. Buko pandan 49. Leche flan is 59. And one of our favorites is this one, the almond cake. Only 99 pesos. Grabe. Ang sarap niyan, mga katatay. The carrot cake, I haven't tasted it yet. And there's a blueberry cheesecake crumble. May salad din sila dito. Only 69. Shrimp sandwich. So, dun sa mga nagda-diet now, eto na ang main event natin. Dito sila nakilala with their meatballs. Actually, if you're gonna ask me, there's really nothing special dito sa kanilang meatballs. But, you know, masarap siya, okay siya. Nothing special that I can say, in my opinion. And we ordered, I think, 12 pieces of the meatballs. Meron din 16 pieces na meatballs. Okay, may mga chicken. And then my wife ordered some fries. Ito, masarap tong fries na to. We also ordered some chicken wings. Ganun din. I can say na there's really nothing special on the chicken wings. What can you say about the food, Gab?
Yum, yum, yum.